Welcome your student. Today we shall continue our chapter pairs of linear equation. Today we shall continue our class of word problem. This is class part 2. In this class we are going to discuss type 2 types of problems. So let's start our class. This is type 2 problems based on fractions. So in fraction, we know that fraction is found by numerator and denominator, as we know that. Here question is said, find a fractions. The first, what we do, we have to assume what? Let the fraction be x and y. First we have to assume that part. Clear? Now, read the statement. Statement is said, find the fraction. You have to find the fractions which 1 by 2 when 1 is subtracted. When 1 is subtracted, fraction becomes 1 by 2 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator. First you write down according to the questions. Numerator is x. What we write here? 1 is subtracted from numerator and 2 is added to the denominator. 1 is subtracted from numerator and 2 is added to denominator. Then fraction becomes what? 1 by 2. I hope this one is clear. Now cross multiply. It becomes what? 2 times of x minus 1 is equals to y plus 2. Now this becomes 2x minus 2 is equals to y plus 2. Therefore our equation becomes 2x minus y is equals to 2 plus 2. Therefore our equation 2x minus y equals to 4. This is our equation first. I hope clear. Now again, according to questions. Now read the second part. And the fraction becomes 1 by 3. Fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 7 is subtracted from numerator. Our numerator is x. Now see the second part. 7 is subtracted from numerator. Numerator is x minus 7. And 2 is subtracted from denominator. Our denominator is y and 2 is subtracted from denominator. Clear? The fraction becomes what? 1 by 3. Again we do the same process, cross multiply. It becomes what? 3x minus 21 is equals to y minus 2. This becomes 3x minus y is equals to minus 2 plus 21. Clear? This becomes 3x minus y is equals to 19. This is our equation 2. Clear? Now solve both equations. See how we solve. You can solve by so many methods. Here we have to using elimination method. This is equation first 2x minus y equals to 4 and our second equation is 3x minus y is equals to 19. Clear? Here we have to eliminate y. Minus sign becomes plus, plus sign become minus, plus sign become minus. This will be cancelled out. So this becomes what? X is equals to, and this becomes 15 minus x is equals to minus 15. Minus minus cancel out. Value of x will be 15. Now substitute any equation. Put the value of x in equation first. We have to substitute in equation first. Our equation first is this: 2 into 15 minus y is equals to 4. This becomes 30 minus y equals to 4. Minus y equals to 4 minus 30. Minus y equals to 26. Therefore our fraction will be what? Therefore fraction we have to assume in initial x by y. Value of x is 15 and value of y will be 26. Therefore fraction is 15 by 26. Clear? I hope this one is clear to you. Age based problems. This one is very important one. Age based problem. See how we solve age-based problems. First, you have to identify the keywords. Which are the keywords? In age, there are certain keywords are there. First one is ago, before. The meaning of this, पहले. Clear? Suppose what is meaning? Suppose in question said Ram's present age is 14. In present, Ram age is 14. So it said Ram age of before 2 years ago. Yeah, only it said Ram present age will be 14 years. Then what will be its age? Before 2 year. जब भी before आएगा तो what we do, हमेशा क्या करेंगे हम लोग प्रेजेंट एज में डॉट एज को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. जैसा आपसे पूछा गया है बिफोर 2 इयर्स, 2 इयर्स पहले राम का एज क्या होगा, सब्ट्रैक्ट इट. आपके क्वेश्चन में अगर व्हेनेवर यू सी अगो बिफोर, तो उसमें क्या करेंगे, पहले हमेशा हम प्रेजेंट एज को उसमें सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लेंगे. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट कीवर्ड इज, आपको ये कीवर्ड देखने मिलेगा आपके सामने, लेटर, लेटर, हेंस, आफ्टर. मीनिंग ऑफ दिस, बाद, बाद में. What it mean? Suppose here Ram present age will be 14 years. राम का present age 14 years है. तो आपसे पूछा गया 5 year later what will be its age? 5 साल के बाद क्या होगा, क्या करेंगे, हमेशा प्रेजेंट एज में क्या करेंगे, जब भी आप लेटर, हेंस, आफ्टर निकालेंगे तो उसमें क्या करेंगे, एडिशन का काम करेंगे. कैसे, जैसे प्रेजेंट एज राम का 14 इयर्स है, तो मैं पूछ रहा हूं तो व्हाट विल द राम एज आफ्टर 5 इयर्स. 5 इयर्स बाद राम के एज क्या होगा, क्या करेंगे, 14 + 5 करेंगे. दिस विल बी 19 इयर्स. क्लियर. एंड वन थिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, whenever you solve age problem, always take present age. हमें जब भी आप एज प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे, ऑलवेज यू हैव टू टेक प्रेजेंट एज. हमेशा प्रेजेंट एज को ही आप वेरिएबल लेंगे, आइदर एक्स लेंगे, आइदर वाई लेंगे, उसके बाद हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे. क्लियर. दीज आर द बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ एज बेस्ड प्रॉब्लम्स. क्वेश्चन इज 5 years ago Ram was thrice as old as Sonu. Full stop. 10 years later, Ram will be twice as old as Sonu. Full stop. How? ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, what is the present age of Ram and Sonu? Clear. See how we solve this one. We have first we have to identify what are the variables. We have 2 variables, Ram and Sonu. First what we do, let us assume, let the present age of Ram be x years. First we have to assume, always take the present age. Present age of Ram will be x years, same as let the present age of Sonu be y years. Clear. Next step what we do, first we apply the first condition. In first condition said 5 years ago, first we have to calculate the age 5 years ago. 5 years ago Ram age. See, in present Ram age will be x years. So we have to calculate 5 year ago. ago में हम लोग क्या करते हैं, always you have to subtract it. present age अगर x years है तो 5 year ago क्या करेंगे हम लोग, x minus 5. ये कैसे कर रहे हैं, सपोज राम का प्रेजेंट एज है 14 इयर्स, ठीक है, तो आपसे पूछा जा रहा है 5 साल पहले राम का एज क्या था, तो क्या करेंगे आप, 14 माइनस 5, वही हम लोग वर्क कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. क्लियर, ईयर सेम एज 5 years ago Sonu age y minus 5 years. Clear up to this stage? Now apply the condition. 5 year ago Ram age was, 5 year ago Ram age will be, now according to questions x minus 5 है. Clear, is equals to Ram age was thrice, meaning of thrice means 3 times. 3 times of which is Sonu age. Sonu का एज क्या है, 5 साल पहले, y minus 5 right here. Clear? Now on the equation x minus 5 equals to 3y minus 15. Therefore x minus 3y is equals to minus 15 plus 5. Therefore our first equation by first condition is x minus 3y is equals to minus 10. This is our first conditions. Now in second condition says 10 years later, right, in same way 10 years later Ram age, राम का प्रेजेंट एज क्या था, x था, तो 10 इयर्स लेटर क्या हो जाएगा, 10 इयर्स के बाद 10 साल के बाद इसका एज क्या होगा, x प्लस 10 इयर्स. क्लियर, सेम एज 10 इयर्स लेटर सोनू एज क्या हो जाएगा, सोनू का प्रेजेंट एज क्या था, y था, तो 10 इयर्स के बाद क्या होगा, y प्लस 10. क्लियर, नाउ अप्लाई द कंडीशंस. 10 years later Ram age will be twice. Ram, after 10 years Ram age will be what, now again according to questions Ram age will be x plus 10. This will be twice मतलब 2 times of which is Sonu. Sonu age will be y plus 10. Clear, now this equation becomes x plus 10 equals to 2y plus 20. Now form the equation x minus 2y is equals to 20 minus 10. X minus 2y is equals to 10. This is our equation second. And you know that how we solve the equation. After solving equation you get the value of x is and value of y is, value of x is 50 and value of y is 20. Therefore after solving you get this. Therefore what to write, Ram present age will be 50 years, same as Sonu present age will be 20 years. Clear, I hope this one is clear to